Hi guys, Brings here. Good evening. And this is my first video outlook, daily video outlook for my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on your notification. So for my daily outlook, I'll be using three time frames: the daily, 4 hour, and the M15. Now that's what I use for the daily outlook. And then again, I have pairs on my watch list. I have pairs I trade on my watch list, and I'm waiting. I think my network is having a bit issue. Let me quickly reload that. Okay, the network is back. Okay, so I have on my daily outlook, these are the pairs I'll be looking out for: Euro USD, GBP USD, Euro JPY, Pound JPY, USD JPY, and XAU USD. That's for gold. So let's start with Euro USD. But before that, let me quickly delete all my alerts. Okay, so delete. So this is the outlook for Tuesday, 21st July 2026. Let's get started. Let's do great things. Okay, so we start from the daily time frame, right? Start from the daily time frame. What is the daily time frame telling us? What are we seeing on the daily time frame? It's quite easy. We are seeing a swing pullback down to the downside, right? We're seeing a swing pullback down to the downside. Okay, so we have this is like premium and discount level. Let me use the main one. This is the premium and discount level. What I'm looking out to see is I would love to see like a buy continuation, right? To mitigate the premium level and get a confirmation from the daily time frame or the 4 hour time frame. Then we continue the sell to take out the external range liquidity, which is this low here, which is that low there. Right, so that is what I'll be looking out for on the daily time frame, right? So let's jump down to the 4 hour time frame to see what price has here, what the price is doing on the 4 hour time frame. Take note that price has already mitigated the daily PY, which is this. Price has already mitigated the daily PY. Let me throw that. Okay. Daily PY. This is also a daily PY. It is a daily supply and demand. It is an hidden supply and demand. Do your research on it. Hidden supply and demand. Okay, we are now at the 4 hour time frame, right? 4 hour time frame. What do we have? We have like an internal break of structure, right? And price has pulled back to the 4 hour swing leg, like the internal swing strong, right? Price has pulled back to that PY. What are we expecting? Everything is looking. This is like one of the cleanest structure I've seen on Euro USD so far, right? Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, we also have a swing pullback, right? A swing down to the downside, a swing to the downside, right? Now you can't continue to be seeing sell every time. You are supposed to see like a retracement, a pullback, right? The pullback might be starting now because we haven't mitigated something here. It might be starting, but we haven't mitigated something here. Now I want to like look for a confirmation on the internal time frame, right? To like get to the premium level and look for a new confirmation to continue the swing trend to the downside, right? That's what we want to be looking for. So as an M15 trader, what I normally do is when I see something like this, I normally mark out my 4 hour PI. I'm normally mark out all my 4 hour PI because that is like where I can put my target on. I normally Jay have helped me move to your mic. So that is like where I normally put my target on, right? As an M15 trader. So this is how I trade daily, right? So what I'll be looking at for on this particular uh, PY on this particular pair, right? I'll be looking out for price to do this, right? On the 4 hour time frame, give you a confirmation entry and take out this internal high. My target is still on this internal high. But if price should like do something like this, right? And switch bearish, definitely I'll be looking for safes to take out this external range liquidity. This is what I'll be looking out for. So let's jump down to the M15, my entry time frame, the time frame I use for entries. Okay, so on the M15, this is like a swing break of this is a swing break of structure. Nothing like this is like this is a swing break of structure, right? Okay, today, basically today, I've already journaled the trade. I took a sell from this PI. Took a sell from this PI. I don't think if there's any need to go through it. Took a sell from this PI, but I closed early due to I was about to enter class to attend lectures. So I closed early. This was supposed to be my target. This was supposed to be my target. But I closed here. Closed at 1:3. Yeah. Closed at 1:3. Okay. So we've had like on the M15, we've already had a swing break of structure, right? Now what does it what